Hello, today we're going to learn how to submit an assignment with images. So whenever you get an assignment from your teacher, it's very important to look at the due date. In this case, there is no due date. Also, you need to find out how many points you will get for the assignment. That's always very important. And one way you can do that is by looking at the points at the top of the page, and then you have to see how they want you to submit your assignment. And there are many different kinds of ways to submit assignments, and in this case, we're going to learn a few different ways to submit assignments with images. In this case, the teacher will let you submit a doc type file, a PDF, a text, a PNG, a JPEG, a docx, an MP3, and an MP4. Those are the different kinds of files that your teacher will accept and is able to open. If that file extension is not at the end of your file, you might not be able to upload your document or your image. Now, to submit your assignment, you're going to start by clicking on Submit Assignment. Go ahead and click right there, and you will see that you now have different options. You can upload a file, you can use a text entry box, and you have other options as well listed on the top of the this box right here. Let's take a look at how you will upload a file. All you're going to do is click Choose File. So when you click Choose File, your computer will, oh, my computer has, okay, there we go. Your computer will sometimes freeze like my computer did and is right now, but then you'll see all different kinds of files that will pop up. And let's quickly open up our Bitmojis here. So if you want to add one of these files, one of these images, perhaps you've taken a picture of one of your assignments, you'll just click it. You can click 2 times, or you can just click it 1 time and then click open. If you click it 2 times, it will automatically open. You can add other files by clicking on Add Another File and then choosing the file, waiting for your computer to think. Mine is very slow today, apologies. And then adding the next file that you want to add. Click Open, and then you can write comments here and then click Submit Assignment if you are finished. Another thing that you can do is click Text Entry. So when you click Text Entry, you might have some kind of writing assignment that you need to submit. And sometimes the teachers don't allow you to upload files or give you the options to upload your files in these other ways. So in some cases, you might only have the option of a text entry, but you can still add an image if you need to. So you can type your assignment. You can say your name. My name is Milena Copeland. Okay. Obviously, you would just write your name and then add your assignment, but you don't even need to add your name in Canvas because your teacher will know it's you. Then what you'll do to add an image is you can click on this little box right here, and you will see it has a spot for you to upload your image. And you can drag the file from your computer and put it right on there. Okay. You can also, this is a PNG and it doesn't want me to upload that. You can also click right in the middle of the box where it says upload image, and then select your file that way. So here we go. Let's do this one. Okay, and there you have the image uploaded. Now you must always remember to put the alt text so that if there's someone that is sight impaired, including possibly your teacher, they can tell what image you have included. So here you can say playing soccer. That might be a good description of this picture. And then you just click submit. And you can also, by the way, click decorative image if the image is not important. And then if you click on the image, you'll see this little box with these little squares in the corners, and you can just move your cursor to the corner, and you can move it in or out to make it smaller or larger. And this way you can add lots of images. You can also add links and video, and you can even add a document. So if you have a document like a Word doc or something like that, you can click Upload Document, then look for your file. I'm going to go to this ESL file, and then let's open up my Thanksgiving recipes. You can click Open, and then you'll just click Submit. And then you will have your file attached to your document so that your teacher can see what your document looks like and be able to read it in their computer, in their Word application. Now remember, not every teacher has every application, so you need to make sure that you use a standard application like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and then you can also use things like Google Slides, Google Docs for your attachments, because if your teacher doesn't have that application, they won't be able to read your work. And then don't forget to click Submit Assignment. Good luck, and I hope you have a wonderful semester.